Swadeshi Khad, which is happening from 4th of July till 13th of July, which is in CKP Hall, Khad, Linking Road, near to Chumbak store. See, we have beautiful crockeries over here, which are hand painted from vegetable colors, and these are really pretty. They have many more color options in this, as you can see. Hand painted crockeries are there, like plates, and then we can see cups. You can see the varieties over here. It's large amount of variety we have. And then we have indigo bowls also. So this, it's a really pretty collection. It starts from 199 and it varies, like different collection, like hand painted and all. These are from a higher ranges, like 699 for per bowl and all. Then we come over here to the Rajasthani handloom. This is full hand block print, hand stitched from another vegetable colors and all those things. See, this is a dohar. This is a single bed dohar. It starts from 1,000 rupees. They do have double bed dohars also, which starts from 2,000 rupees. And this is a bed sheet with 2 pillow covers. Really pretty. See the design. It's very delicate and really pretty. We have large amount of variety over here, as you can see in the display. Then over here we have mukhwas. There are variety of mukhwases over here, as you can see. Hing, then
पान शॉट है, जीरा शॉट है, पान
this is a pan shot, jeera shot.
रोस्टेड मुखवास है,
See.
हिंग पेड़ा वगैरह है.
It's really delicious. What is this? क्या है
ये
ये?
जिंजर मैंगो है,
ये जिंजर मैंगो है,
Hing
then
पेड़ा।
हींग पेड़ा है.
आंवला वेराइटी आंवला है. आंवला में गुड़ का आंवला, जागरी वाला है, ये हनी वाला है, जीरा वाला है, नमकीन जीरा, मसाला वाला आंवला है, मैंगो का है, तीखा मैंगो है.
Pouches, they do have pouches also. You can order as much as you can. They do home delivery as well.
सीड्स 7 सीड्स है, pumpkin seed वाला,
From seeds.
sunflower seed.
These are seeds one. And this is a shot of hing goli, I think so. It's a bottle of for 30 rupees. They do have many more varieties in the mukhwas. Then over here we have rugs, cotton rugs. These are, this is a hand block print from Kalamkari design. It's a Kalamkari design.
Next to that.
And then they have an Ikka design also. The for here we have dedicated jewelries for daily use and oxidize as well. As you can see, these jhumkas and all, these are really pretty one. For festive wear, it's really pretty. Then we have over here like a daily wear chains also. These are bracelets. It's really pretty for daily use. See the bow one and all. And the rings collection is also really pretty. Watch ring, then daily wear rings. As you can see over here also they have bracelets, then chains, then hoops. Right now these are anti-tarnish, anti-polish. Color won't go, nothing will happen, it will stay as it is. Then we have over here kadas also, like daily wear bracelets. You can pair up with your watches also. Then come inside, we'll go inside. This is in Kalamkari and then Dabu, Dabru, all those prints. You can see. This is a one piece. They are one piece dresses. The one piece dresses you can wear like a one piece as well as a kurti also. This is a one piece dress with the pocket and the hand embroidery is also there in this. This also you can see the varieties over here. Sizes are from extra small till 8XL. Over there also it's written. And the store name is Jugno Ethnic Fusion. Then we have over here Kolkata, Assami, Tirupur things. This is a dupatta, right?
ड्रेस मटेरियल
It's a dress material. See, we do have dupattas also. This is a khadi cotton dupatta. It's really pretty and its work is also done in this. Then we do have sari. Blouses are also there. These are the blouses. Again, it's a free size blouse. It should be adjustable. Then this is a sari. You can see.
अच्छा उसमें का
Which sari is this?
दिस इज
इसमें का ऑरेंज है इसमें का
Assam handloom sarees are this.
सिल्क कॉटन
Munga silk.
इसमें का ऑरेंज कलर
It's very nice.
ये दोनों पसंद है
इसमें का लाइट कलर है
Then we have this kind of dress materials also.
असम ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस
Traditional dress materials in Assam.
This time sarees.
Then sarees also are there. Really pretty collection they have in sarees.
अच्छा पल्लू अच्छा ठीक है चलो इसमें ऑरेंज कलर है
This is a Ajra, Jaipur one pieces. In this also we have color options and with sleeves also we have. It's a V-neck one-piece dress with a side pocket and a sleeves is a puff. It's a puff sleeve. And this also sizes are from medium till triple XL, 4XL sizes are there. Then men's shirts are also there. These are men's shirts. You can see over here also options are there in the display. We have sizes till medium, from medium till triple XL, 4XL in men's also. Then for children's also we do have. These are for children's, youngsters. Then we do have corset in a scrub cotton. This is a scrub cotton material and the corset is for 1,000 rupees. And the shirt starts from 950. Then we have over here.
ये पूरा काटवर्क किया है असम की है मुगा बोलता है मुगा तसर के ऊपर पूरा अगरबत्ती से काटवर्क किया है अगरबत्ती जला के एक एक करके होल्डिंग किया जाता है पूरा अगरबत्ती से काटवर्क ये भी काटवर्क किया है बटरफ्लाई बना हुआ ये भी अगरबत्ती से इसको नाम है BMW सारीज BMW बोलते हैं इसका नाम दिया थोड़ा अलग सा ये पूरा अगरबत्ती से किया है ये अपना जो ढाकाई जामदनी बोलता है ना सर ये पूरा काम है ये पूरा काम है ढाकाई जामदनी है एकदम सॉफ्ट होता है लाइट होता है एकदम सॉफ्ट होता है जैसा पहनेगा ना फूलेगा नहीं साड़ी जैसा प्लीट्स करेगा ऐसा ही बैठेगा इतना तो दिखा देगा ये देखिए जैसा प्लीट्स करना है ऐसा प्लीट्स बैठ जाएगा साइक्लिंग वर्ड का जरूरत नहीं है नॉर्मल इजी हैंड वॉश है मैं ऐसा नॉर्मल दिखा रहा हूँ ऐसा प्लेट्स भेज विद ब्लाउज इसके साथ है जैसा प्लीज बेटा ऐसे भेज जाएगा एक 1 मीटर ब्लाउज है ब्लाउज पीस में विविंग है ब्लाउज पीस में भी विविंग आएगा पूरा ब्लाउज पीस ये स्लीव्स के लिए
Then we next stall it's of khadi cotton. We do have over here khadi kurtis and all the things in handmade. See, these are handworked kurtis. Sizes are from small till 4XL. Short kurtas are also there in this and long kurtas are also there. Dresses are there. See, these are in dresses. Range over here starts from 650 from the short kurta. This is of 2,000 rupees. It's a one-piece dress. Again in handmade. Then over here we have sarees. These are Maheshwari sarees, dress material. Here you can see. It's a Maheshwari saree with a blouse piece. This is a blouse piece. Overall saree will be like this. See, as you can see. It's a very nice saree. And dress materials also. See, these are dress material. And over here, saree starts from 2,500. It's a starting price. Prices are different for each and everything. Here we have brass jewelries. Like the ear cuff I'm wearing right now. You can see it's really pretty. And in ear cuffs also we have color options, means designs. These are the designs in ear cuffs. Then earrings, it's all handmade and it's real brass. You can use as it is, and price starts from
प्राइसिंग 400 से स्टार्ट है 3000 4000 तक एंड इट इज़ वॉशेबल ज्वेलरी
it's a really pretty earring.
इट्स अ ड्रैगन फ्लाई
Then here we have some Sambalpuri dress material, saris and fabrics also. Price per मीटर कितने रुपए के हैं?
500 से स्टार्टिंग है पर मीटर
और ड्रेस मटेरियल स्टार्टिंग कितने
ड्रेस
से आ
मटेरियल
जाएगी?
2200
और साड़ीज वगैरह?
2000 से स्टार्टिंग है अप टू आपको 26000 तक की साड़ी मिलेगी
ये सब प्योर संबलपुरी है. ये देखिए वर्क, देखिए कितना अच्छा है. दिस विल बी द पल्लू. ब्लाउज है इसमें? ये ब्लाउज आ जाएगा एंड होल साड़ी विल बी लाइक दिस.
ये मटेरियल इससे ये अच्छा रहेगा
ये पल्लू है, ये वाला ब्लाउज पीस आ जाएगा, पूरी साड़ी ऐसे आ जाएगी. इसका प्राइस क्या है?
ये 18500
18,500 it is for. Or here next all we have in a sarees. Here they have Khata cotton sarees. भैया प्राइसिंग क्या है इसकी? They have Kolkata silk sarees. Those starts from 1,000 rupees. And dress material as well.
एक डिजाइन लाइन नहीं आएगी
This is again Jaipur cotton bed sheets and then Dohar. Price कितने का है भैया? Starting कितने का है? 900. Starting price is 900. It's very nice. Pure cotton, hand block print. With pillow cover. और ये सब कितने से starting है? 1800 starting. And double sided, you can use double sided. Quality is very nice. What is this? Can you? Comforter. It's a comforter. Dohar also there. Dohar का price क्या है starting? 1,000. Here we have silver jewelry and then oxidized jewelry also. See, these all things I have bought from here only. It's a very nice bangle set, and they have earrings also. Then original silvers, earrings, necklaces also. See, these are the hoop earring for daily use. The necklace are there. Over here we have kalamkari kurtis, short, long, one-piece dresses are also there. Spaghetti kurtas are there. The one I'm wearing right now, as you can see, this is also from here. It's a set like this. It's a palazzo pant and a spaghetti kurta, but I have also inserted inside and with a side pocket. Over here, pocket is also there, in which I have kept my phone. Here we have this kind of spaghetti kurta, short, long, this kind of palazzo pants. Looks like a skirt after wearing, like this one. And then you can see wrap-around skirts also. These are skirts which you can wrap and wear. Then I have short kurtas like this. And long kurtas are also there. This is a one-piece dress in a Chinese collar pattern and sleeveless. Inside sleeves are there, you can attach it, and side pockets are also there. So it gives a very nice and pretty look for office wear and for daily use also. It's a classy piece. Over here also we have displayed some of the pieces. Then we have saris, pen kalamkari dupattas. Over here, it's a pen kalamkari dupatta. It's hand painted from vegetable color. As you can see, the wrap-around skirt and the wrap top. It's a wrap top. You can wrap and wear it. Now, next we have three-piece suits. They are.
Can I?
Yeah,
Can
yeah, you can
shift to me? Okay. So I have anarkali sets, 5 meters ghera with very long, nice odni and nice Jaipuri prints, pure cotton, spaghetti style I have with embroidery work. So you see your Rajwada style with Rajwada print and all embroidery work done. I have colors also in this and all sizes. Here again, yes, sorry. This is all anarkalis I have here if you see. एंड दिस इज शिफली वर्क, शिफली मटेरियल पे है और बहुत अच्छा एम्ब्रॉयडरी किया हुआ है. ओढ़नी पे भी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. कड्डाना वर्क, if you see here I have Kadana work with 5 meters ghera. This is small size, okay, and I have straight fits here, straight fits, anarkali, mull cotton with neck embroidery done. And I have all these are A lines and straight fits, Jaipuri prints, very nice prints I have, and embroidery work done. Here also, it's a nice embroidery work done. I have kept little pure silk sarees from West Bengal, and I have from Telangana also pure silk sarees, certified government silk certification is here.
What's the price of this saree?
Yeah, the price is this is 4,775.
And for the
I have
kurtas,
many
what's the
colors. Yeah,
What's the price range, starting price range for
I
the kurtas?
have one piece and cord sets also, 2 piece and 3 piece, and the prices starts from 1,300. It goes to 2,500 and so on. Okay, and I have some Telangana sarees also, beautiful ones. If you see, what is this? Yeah, with Jari work, and it's soft silk, very
hand
nice.
booty
Yeah,
and hand
2,700, 2,500, 1,000 ranging from that. And this pure silk is 4,775.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much. Next over here we have sarees. These are also like kalamkari sarees. This is handmade and this is customized also. See, as you can see, this will be the blouse. This is the pallu of the saree. It's all customized by them. They have their own unit to make the sarees, and they have many more other color option and the collection. As you can see, you can order whichever fabric you say, they will make the saree in that fabric and then parcel it to you. You can take their number as well as follow them on Instagram. The brand name is Shiba Collection. Shaiba Collection, sorry. And they have kalamkari sarees also, and the Ajrak modal silk sarees are also there. Price क्या है इसका? 4,500 is the starting price for the Ajrak sarees. And ये customized वाली साड़ी कितने की है starting?
ये
5,000.
हाँ.
Okay. Thank you. Then here we have handmade jewelry. These all are handmade jewelry. That's okay. That's fine. They have cute bracelets also. See, these are really cute. Made by her, one and only. I'm very proud of you. See, they have bracelets. Then this things have. You can adjust it accordingly and wear. Then push it this way. Cord jewelry this. 150 is the starting price for this all earrings and all. Don't forget to visit the exhibition of Swadeshi Hat, which is happening at the CKP Club, Linking Road, Thar West, and the landmark is Chumbak and Sadhguru.